Hey, what's up, Polygon holder? Polygon holder, this video is very important for all of you now, and please remember, this is not a financial video. This is just and only, my friend, advice for all of you. So kindly research personally before you take any decision, my brother. And this time, as you can see here, the condition is very good. 2.25 percent, my friend. The price is increased now, so that's a very good news for all of you. And the highest price, as you can see here, 1.49 USD dollar, but the current price is very cheap now. You can see here 1.39 USD dollar. That's mean to the price where fails down 10%, the price will decrease now. So definitely don't worry, my friends, when a coin were fails down for a short time. So this does not mean to this coin will completely go in the garbage. Definitely, I'm 100% sure to an upcoming time, my friends, there is a possible to Polygon will give you a very good profit now. So kindly, just in only my viewers, my subscriber, you will need to hold now. If you are just in only hold, my friends, so that's clear, my friends, to upcoming time this coin is going to be viral and they will give you a very good profit. Remember, to when a coin were fails down for a short time, so this does not mean, my friends, to they cannot give you a profit, because, my friend, in those days very bad coin, my friend, also starting my friend earning now. So therefore I will notify you to this is not a big reason, my friends, to this coin is not good. Every coin is good, my friends. Best winner holder are starting selling, so definitely the coin will move upward. Winner holder are starting buying, so the coin will move upward. So I have a request for all of you to, if you have any plan to invest more, so go now, invest now. And if you want to earn money, my friends, so just and only do it now. So thanks for watching my all Polygon holder. Please, I have one request for all of you to please research personally before you take any decision, because this is very important for all of you now, my friend. So thanks for watching Polygon holder. Please like video and also subscribe our YouTube channel, because ABS6 channel will update you, guide you, and absolutely give you a very good opinion now, my friend. So please holder, like video and also subscribe our YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care.